Step 1. Long press alarm 1 to start setting. Step 2. Set the hour. Rotate selector to set hours. Press selector to confirm. Step 3. Set the minute. Rotate selector to set minutes. Press selector to confirm. Step 4. Set alarm sound. Rotate selector to set alarm sound. Press selector to confirm. Step 5. Set alarm volume. Rotate selector to set volume. Press selector to confirm. Step 6. Set sunrise duration. Rotate selector to set sunrise advance time. Press selector to confirm. Press selector to enter snooze mode. Press again selector to turn off the alarm.